Start recording. Right, hiya, I'm Douglas Sharp, and this is my 3D room design with models I made myself. This diorama is supposed to represent the two sides of spirituality. One side displaying the true madness that comes with enlightenment, and the other side showing the truth that leads to insanity. There is eyes that follow the player's every move, so if I move left and right, they follow you, ever gazing at you. And there's an infinity mirror in the center that is supposed to represent a doorway to another realm. The yin-yang in the center is representing the balance between these two evils. Sort of like a good and bad type thing, where this is bad and this is good. Some challenges that I faced during the creation of this project was being completely new to 3D modeling. So it was hard to try and figure out everything out on my own. However, I persevered through and managed to get everything done. One of my favorite parts of this project is the mirror I built, as it was hard trying to figure out the correct way to get the effect to work as well. As well as portraying everything, porting everything into Unreal was difficult. Over here is all the models I built individually laid out so that you can see them in detail. We'll go over to this wall. And here is the wireframes for each of the models. I'll just deselect that. So the wall is just a standard wall. The eye is a couple spheres. This yin-yang I particularly like, as it's very mathematically pleasing, which sounds so nerdy, I know, but yeah. Texturing was really fun, as it was completely new to me, and I got to learn a new skill of like sourcing textures and what works and what doesn't, as well as learning to shade and how different textures react with each other. For example, this mirror here is if I just go back into lit view, the reflectivity on this wasn't particularly working all too well, so I had to figure out how to actually get it to work and do all that. It was really cool. We'll go back into the wireframe. This is the bed right here. So you can see we've got two pillows, a blanket, a mattress, and the actual bed frame. I've lost myself in my script. It didn't come without challenges, as when I was trying to get the mirror to have the reflection effect that I desired, the textures within Blender didn't send over correctly. To fix this, I used a texture that I rebuilt in Unreal, and that seemed to fix it. I enjoyed figuring out what works and what didn't work, and then applying it to the project. To summarize the project, I am happy with how it turned out and quite proud of what I managed to achieve in terms of creation and modeling. If I could do things differently, then I would learn Blender beforehand to smoothen the process of modeling. But seeing as how I didn't have this skill and now I do, I am more than content and happy with what I have done. Thank you for watching this, and have a good rest of your night.